Good morning, Gary. All right, here is your 636 SA. Sitting on my 48. Looking pretty good. No leaks. Look down inside. Nice and dry. Yes, sir. Let's go ahead and fire it up. Yes, sir. That's what I like to see. We'll make sure that float is set correctly. Yeah, no drips from the nozzle. Let's go ahead and look at some numbers. I like about 650 to 700. This one is at about 650. Vacuum, 23. Fuel pressure, 2.75. All right, let's go ahead and pour it through so you can see how she works. One more time. Yes, sir. All right. I think you're going to like it. All right, my friend. By the way, that 23 translates to 18 at your altitude. Thank you.